Cat drove us for about 5 hours, and we are here now at the base of Mount Shasta, and we're going to be staying here tonight and then heading the rest of the way tomorrow.
Well, trying to get some sunset drone footage, and Sage bumped it into the top of that tree, so now he gets to climb up a tree to get the drone. He says he's almost there. Is it okay?
Yeah, it looks totally fine.
Yay!
Alright, got the drone situation sorted out, back in my possession, and we have some fun plans for the evening, which I will show you shortly. This has got to be one of the cooler things that we've done at camp. We've got a blanket hung up by magnets to the side of Kat's van. We've got a projector and a Wii, and we were playing Mario Kart. Everything here is being powered off the Goal Zero Yeti 1000. We had a great time playing Wii last night until it got a little too cold. And then this morning we've got some additional fun plans. Actually, something that I've done previously in another video. Tell me if you can recognize it. And then we are driving the rest of the way down to where my mom is gonna be having her wedding. So looking forward to the day.
Most of you have probably seen Quirks in the more recent videos quite a bit. And I realized that we haven't actually introduced him. He's just this weird bouncy dog that sometimes is in the videos. But he is my dog. He's about 8.5. Actually, interestingly, they were born maybe a month apart, we're kind of guessing. So he's a little over 8.5. He'll be 9 in February. And he's got a lot of quirks. Maybe it's not the most creative name, but I thought it was. It's spelled Q-W-E-R-X, if anyone else is interested.
Well, my dog's name is Dog, so...
So Quirks, because he has a lot of them. You probably noticed the run first off, but there's other stuff. He wags his tail up and down instead of side to side. And when he's real excited, it goes in a circle like a helicopter propeller. And he's got these quirked ears, and his peripheral vision's not so great, and he's got not a bum ticker, but a leaky valve. I think because of that bum valve and low-grade cardiomyopathy, he gets really overheated quickly, and just like his mama, he will slow down the second there's any incline in like any kind of hike. So he overheats, and we have to watch out for that because of his heart. And he has that bouncing walk, which would tire out anyone if you tried skipping up a mountain. So he doesn't go on a lot of strenuous hikes with us, although he's impressed us sometimes with how far he can go. So he's pretty interesting. He's kind of the light of my life, so that's who he is. He's my kid.
So that's why I hope he's sitting out our adventure that's coming up in 3, 2, wait, how do you... 3, 2, 1, cave adventure. we are headed into the really dark part now. So, and I didn't pack another battery for my camera and it's already running out. Didn't record any of it, but Kat and I drove to my father's house last night. Got to hang out and chat with them for a while, and just slept in Kat's van just on the street by their house.
Lost a solar panel.
Oh yeah, I didn't record that. We lost a solar panel yesterday. It started flapping around on the roof, and we had to tear it off or else it was gonna fly off on the highway. So we got plans to tape that back on today, and we were driving to my mom's house, about an hour and a half away, and from there we're gonna be able to see a lot of my siblings and that kind of stuff. Done a pretty poor job through narration or through video of explaining to you what was going on the rest of this weekend. Since the wedding, we have picked up a U-Haul, driven to my dad's house, picked up some tools from him, and then drove all the way to just outside of Crater Lake to a spot I stayed in before. If you have watched my videos for a while, you may recognize this spot. Beautiful little campsite. We're gonna explore around Crater Lake this morning and then head all the way back into Bend and drop off the tools that I got and drop off this U-Haul. But we are stoked about Crater Lake, stoked about this spot, and Quirks is having a good time even though it's cold. Wow. we have arrived at Crater Lake. We're gonna stop at the gift shop slash cafe to get some coffee and stuff, but they don't open until 10, which was about half an hour away. So we're just hanging in Kat's van. We made some breakfast and coffee ourselves, and then we're gonna head in. We are also facing the additional challenge of it being extremely foggy, and we're hoping that waiting out the gift shop and everything will give the clouds a chance to burn off so that we can actually have a view of Crater Lake when we get over to the rim of it. And it actually looks like it's clearing up a little bit, so I think with another half an hour or so we should have plenty of views. Fingers crossed.
Real van life, and this is what it looks like. You heard it here first, folks.
I'm showing them what it looks like. There's a pee funnel. But look at our bed. All those items are just on the bed. There's my bag of clothes. There's my dog. There's Kat's dog. All that just on the bed there. It's a beautiful view of Crater Lake there. Oops. Kat and I have been back for like a day and a half and forgot to do any sort of recording or anything. But anyway, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another one soon. Bye.